Do you know Fiverr? You can actually make money with Fiverr without gimmicks, without tricks, and I'm gonna show you how to make money with Fiverr in a legit way. Let's go to the video.
Number 9. Fiverr. You've probably heard Fiverr mentioned a lot of times because it's a simple and easy site to start making money. But if you haven't, basically it's a freelance website where you can literally outsource anything, and I mean anything, as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. There are so many different ways to make money on Fiverr. Just to name a few, you can do animation, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO, and so much more. If there's anything that can be outsourced, you can most likely find it on Fiverr. Head on over and check out Fiverr, guys. It's a legit way of making money.
Do you want more? If you want more, follow and click the link in bio.